Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and today I wanted to share a quick everyday easy office makeup look with you guys. This is perfect for people who wear, corporate wear, who don't want anything loud or anything of that sort, and it's a quick makeup tutorial for you to look presentable for that meeting which is going to get you your next promotion. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start off with skincare. I'm going to wash my face with the sali-cinamide anti-acne face wash. Since I have acne-prone skin, this has been a lifesaver for me. I used to use a neem face wash ever since my college time, but this sali-cinamide face wash actually reduces acne 3x faster than a neem face wash. And here's why. Neem is effective on your acne but takes time to show results. I have tried the sali-cinamide anti-acne face wash, and that comes with the power of two actives: salicylic acid and niacinamide, which is an unbeatable duo, where salicylic acid is very well known for acne fighting active, penetrates deep into your pores, and niacinamide helps in oil control, reduces acne marks and spots, and keeps the skin super hydrated post the wash. So there is no dryness or anything of that sort. It's one of the best face washes for acne prone skin, and it's safe for all skin types. I just need a pea-sized amount, and the salicylic acid has beta-hydroxyl acid that explicitly targets enlarged pores, and niacinamide is an active form of vitamin B3, which is a gold standard ingredient that helps reduce discoloration on the skin and fades out acne marks and scars. Plus, all of Dermaco's products are fragrance-free. You can use my code SHRUTI2025 for a 20% discount on the Dermaco website. The Dermaco has empowered 20,000 plus students this year with their Young Scientists initiative. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with the Bhumi Foundation. And now that my skin is looking super fresh, I follow it up quickly with a little bit of moisturizer, and we have our skin prepped for the makeup. Starting off with primer, I'm going to use this primer that I got from She Glam. It makes your skin really tacky for foundation to go on top, which makes your foundation last all day. I'm going to use this stick foundation, which is such an amazing color match for my skin. Oh my god, once I blend it, it literally looks like second skin. Then going in with this peachy color correcting concealer. This is slightly darker than my skin tone, but once I blend it out and add a brightening concealer on top, it gives that amazing brightened under eye effect that I love. Coming to the cheeks, I'm going to use this as my blush. This cherry coral color on brown skin looks absolutely bomb, and it also leaves this beautiful dewy finish. I'm going to set all of this in place with some loose powder and spritz my face with some makeup fixing spray. Time for the eyes. I'm going to use this transition matte brown shade on the crease and underneath my eyes, and then with the shimmer shade just to give the center of my eyes some depth and definition. Then I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera, and voila! Eyeliner and eyebrows are done. Now it's time for mascara. I'm going to quickly curl my lashes and coat my lashes generously with 2 coats of mascara. And this is my favorite part. This blush, I actually got it from Temu, and it is such a gorgeous, glistening sort of a blush. And topped it off with a little bit of highlighter, not too much because this is already pretty glowy. This, I think, finishes the look perfectly. Coming to lips, I'm going to line my lips with this brown lip liner and just dab the center of my lips with this lipstick that I got from Zudio. I don't swipe, I just tap, tap, tap. And voila! This is the finished look. I absolutely love how this look turned out. It is very simple, sophisticated, makes you look elegant. The primary focus here is the skin, and I think this makes you look super elegant and super confident anytime you want to be in a corporate setup and want to bring in boss babe energy. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys would try this makeup look, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.